Meaning of impotent.
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 Impotent. The word impotent refers to a lack of power or ability to achieve a desired outcome. It is often used to describe situations where an individual or group is unable to exert influence or control over their circumstances. When someone is impotent, they may feel frustrated, helpless, and unable to take action to change their situation. This can lead to feelings of despair and hopelessness. In relationships or sexual contexts, impotence refers to an inability to achieve or maintain an erection, which can cause additional stress and psychological distress. Overall, impotent implies a sense of weakness and ineffectiveness.